Ken Long, Tortoise Capital, sniper trade of the day for April 29th, 2026. This is Intel 10-minute charts. Yesterday, the blue box is the last 30 minutes of the day. 2 is the gap up. That's the first 10-minute bar highlighted in green. The mechanical entry would be on a breakout of 3, and there it is at 4. Standard risk box of about $1.50. It moves out smartly in our direction. Add a second position at 6. At 5, excuse me. Standard risk is at 5, $1.50. Second position at 6. Third position at 7 on continued momentum. First little pullback. The RL10 is still positive. That's the green line. At 8, however, it peaks. Price is slowing down. So now we're stalking an exit. It rolls over, comes to the spine of the dragon at 9 for our exit for about 6R. Sells off to the PSAR, holds. We get a 1, 2, 3 re-entry at 11. Standard risk of $1. Grinding, grinding, grinding. Slight improvement. Getting near the end of the day, we just take an exit for 1R at 13. That's the sniper trade of the day. Come on to find out how we do it. Again, at Tortoise Capital, sniper trade of the day, April 30th, 2026 in Tesla. That's the last 30 minutes of yesterday into the close. 10-minute charts. No gap per se. The green bar is the opening range 10 minutes. In the third bar, it breaks below that, so we get short at 3. Standard risk box in yellow at 4. Moving in our direction at 5. The RL10 reverses, it rolls up. We take the exit when it crosses the PSAR at 6 for minus 0.8. Price continues. It moves a risk box off the low, long at 7. Standard risk at 8 to the PSAR flip. At 9, add a second position. 10, add a third position. At 11, price rolls over with the RL10 in the green line. We take the crossing of the dragon spine, exit at 12. Continuation trade to the upside. The RL10 has reversed back to positive and leaving the dragon. So get long. Standard risk at 14. Second position at 15 because why not? New high of the day. 16, RL10 peaks, exit at 17, 30 minutes prior to the close. Sniper trade of the day.